Okay everyone, it's an honor to bring you a new product to play with the Jelly Bean Tide today, Coco y Toro. Since the release of our first product Jelly Bean Sugar Cube Mechanical Push Card, nearly 2,000 pieces of sugar cubes have been sold, 1 pig trough and 3 spring grooves, 3 pairs of line slots, realize for field debugging directions, 2 ways to form a choice. Many players have fully felt the fun of toys full of playability. This is also one of the underlying concepts of our brand. It is hoped that complex things can be made simple, but there are many possibilities in simplicity. The second product, Coco y Toro, was also born with this concept in mind. It looks like a simple shape with a spinning top 22mm. The lock and swivel diameter of 52mm mean it's very portable. Can such a small and simple spinning top also play some tricks? Yes, we have concentrated all our ingenuity in the design of this pair of capsule slots. Since it is called a capsule tank, it must be convenient to put capsules. Everyone take the medicine with them on the road. No, in fact, this capsule is equipped with an optional brass capsule. It is possible to achieve pure feel Euro gameplay with the density of brass. Diuse stainless steel and titanium allow the counterweight to be distributed outward, which can enhance the dragging feel. The yellow inner circle is also an embellishment of rotating light and shadow. If you like the gameplay of the bead top, you can also add beads of any material as you like. For example, the black steel balls are used to adjust the counterweight. Decorate the pig to enhance the appearance. The luminous pig comes to reminisce about childhood. It is worth mentioning that the beads cannot touch the lock in the capsule grass. Therefore, it will neither make noise nor affect the rotational speed at all. Okay, the above are just appetizers. Here's a look at our favorite plays. By the way, demonstrate the disassembly and assembly. Coco's bearings rely on double layers and screw locks. Tight players do not need to purchase the use of remover and glue. It is easy to replace the bearing. After taking it apart, you can see that we are on these 2. The position is designed with magnet position magnets plus 8 balls. You can realize the gameplay of internal armor. Speaking of opening armor, in the past, the armor opening gyroscope mainly had 2 cool points. The first is visual deformation. The second is to snap twice when opening and closing armor. Auditory feedback and hand vibration feedback Coco, because it is an internal opening nail. So visual deformation cannot be done. But when opening and collecting armor, auditory and tactile feedback are available. One thing to note here is the Coco made of tie material, because the feedback of the lower density opening and closing is the most obvious. The stainless steel version itself is denser. The feedback will be weaker than that of opening and closing. Everyone can choose according to their own preferences. Finally, let's talk about the release information. At the end of this month, stainless steel and titanium will be launched. Stainless steel 298, titanium 398. I hope this small, portable and playable gyroscope can be loved by everyone. Well, that's it for today's video. The third product of Jelly Bean is also in the works. Please look forward to it.